Alright, this probably isn't even worth doing with this 20-mile-an-hour wind out here, but I snapped this off. And I need to put that back in there, but I came out to do it. I got bees over here. See the wind? Look at that. Calm as a cucumber. Kind of stormy. That already had a splice in there. I think I hit it with a 0 turn or something. I don't want it up that high. It's easier to break. This is normally what happens after you climb all the damn way up under your house to do something and can't get the top off. Make darn sure that's enough to cover, and it is. See that? That's a slick little deal. That should be good to go. Bees just sitting over there, chilling out. quick plumbing fix if you have one in a line like that. Alrighty, take her easy.